identity theft protection. And we're not just talking about financial identity theft, because identity theft is far more than just financial. We cover everything in your life because we're going to monitor your driving record, your passport, your social security number, all your email address, loans and credit cards, even social media and the dark web, black market websites. And then you'll also get no additional charge, Trend Micro Security, which will protect your devices, your phones, computers, and laptops, and what are they called? The little things. It's not a computer. Anyway, everything from malware and things that can damage your programs. Also, if you ever use a public Wi-Fi, a VPN is provided at no extra charge so that no one can hack into your phone. And of course, you get a password manager, and you get comprehensive restoration in case if you ever become a victim at no extra charge. You'll be assigned a licensed private investigator who will do whatever it takes, work as long as it takes to restore your good name to pre-theft status. And believe it or not,